check out this amazing kitchen, the abundance of natural light, the huge island, just luxury at every level. Let's check out the bedrooms.
Come with me to check out the master suite. It's a beautiful room on the ground level and has an amazing view of the backyard.
Let's go up the metal floating staircase and check out the upstairs. So come on up, let's check out the 3 bedrooms up here and 2 bathrooms.
Welcome to the great, amazing grand room. This beautiful open concept design and amazing fireplace. And here it opens to the outside.
And the amazing indoor-outdoor connection is just fantastic. It's a nano door, so you get this wide opening, one-of-a-kind backyard. Check it out. I'm David Bergman.
Angela Bergman. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you soon.
See you next time.